I realize that I serve not a single man, 'cause I've been blasted and playing so long that even level 40 can't take me on. But I ain't never teabagged a noob that didn't deserve it. Of course, boosting up my rank, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're driving and where you're walking, or you and your team will be dying and respawning. I really hate to stick, ain't got no ammo, and for sure I'll own you with my gravity hammer. Noob, I think you're really gay, and that's why you got betrayed. You're like, man, what'd I do? I'm like, shut up, dirty Jew. Been spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Been spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Keep spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Keep spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Ignore social playlists on matchmaking. I can't play a normal game without worrying about rank. See, so I go for beatdowns on Team Slayer games, owning noobs and dirty Jews all along the way. I'm a hardcore chief with a lot of trip mines. Got a sniper in my hand and a sword on my side. I'm a soaked out one and only lead player. Got my matching recon armor for being the best ever. Fool, death ain't nothing but a grenade away. I'm living life like a gamer. What can I say? I'm level 43. Will I live to see 44? The way things are going, I don't know. Tell me why I can't own no more. And my team is saying my mom's a whore. Been spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Been spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Keep spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Keep spending all my life living in the douchebag paradise. Owning and betraying and owning, minute after minute, beat down after beat down. But wait, what's going on? Everything's changing. I seem to be losing the powers I've forsaken. I was owning, but now I get owned. Wait, what's wrong? Hey, there's teabag physics going on. They say I gotta learn, but who's here to teach me? I'm so used to leak guns like the Rocket and Snipey. Well, I guess they can't, and I guess they won't. I better do something, or I'll get old.